I found my mom. Well, she found me, but she was on the other side of the building. And I also gave this poor homeless man, he wasn't homeless, I think he worked for Walmart, but he was out there with the bell, you know, ding, 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 you know, looking for a little change for the bucket or whatever, and I put money in it. I'm not going to say how much I did. Was it for charity or something? Yeah.
Salvation Army.
In the Army?
Salvation Army.
South Asian. Oh, Salvation. Well, goodbye, Walmart. What is that guy doing? Huh. Goodbye, Walmart. Thank you for the SIM card. Boom. There were so many people watching me stuff all my money in my pocket. I'm just like, stop staring at me. I don't have time to wrap it all up and put it away. Ooh, Mustang. Blue, too. That's awesome. Ew, Pontiac, whatever. Pontiac what? What's it called? Those ugly cars. Oh, ugly. You saw them. They were ugly in the front. But, there's Quick Trip. There's my Quick Trip, baby. Oh, big sign. Walmart. We sell less. Oh, wait, we sell for less. I can't read it through the camera. Because I can't look at it because your head's in the way. Goodbye. I actually got my reading glasses right down there. Right where that little door is. Right, that little door. Where is it? You're going too fast. Well, yeah. Okay. I got 2 gigabyte too. And it was 19 something. I think it was 1999. Boom, bones. Boom, boom, boom. 2010. Go Stabs! That's Miege. He must go to Miege. Speed up next to him. That little booger. He ran red light. Goodbye, Stag person. Maybe I'll see the car in the parking lot at Miege. Like, I saw you near Walmart! Or where are we? West 55th Street. That car sounds a little bad. You know, to people that don't know how to work cars, they think it would sound good, but it is actually in bad condition. It is. It's really good. Oh, where's that big fish? No, did they take it down? Oh, there was the little platform where it stood. There is this big, big, fake metal? Maybe, I don't know, metal is big bass fish. I think it was bass. Oh, yeah. Car sounds like Korea. Together right now over me. Yummy. Yummy. Their bagels are delish. My school's right up here. Hold on. No? Okay. Well, I've actually got to go. Oh, that cute tiny little house. Okay, goodbye. Wait. Say bye, Mom. Bye. Peace.